Today's video will give y'all an update on what we've been up to over at the condo. Okay, y'all, we're here at the condo. We just went and got our hardwood. So I think we've got 40 something boxes. So Ben's gone to get a tape measure to see if we can measure to make sure this is going to fit on the hand truck and then on the elevator. Hopefully it will, and it'll be a smooth transition up to the second floor. Is it gonna work?
Might be able to caddy corner them on the elevator.
All right, we're gonna try it with 3 and see if we can get on the elevator first before we put a whole load on here. See how this
may be a whole load.
Yeah.
Pretty heavy. There's more trouble than it's worth. See you on the second floor.
Okay, so hopefully we're gonna figure out a better solution because it doesn't look like the hand truck with them laying like this is gonna fit on the elevator. So Ben just took 2 boxes up, so we're gonna reevaluate and see what else we can do to make this more efficient. Okay, while we're waiting on Ben to get back down here to load up some more of the hardwood boxes, let's check out the pool. I don't think I've ever showed y'all the pool area. That's the marina where the boats go in, and if you come on around, if I don't fall down, this right here is our pool area, and it's always really nice. Sometimes we'll come out here on a Sunday and just hang out by the pool, and you have a great view of the water from here too. So this is a really fun, nice area. So just giving y'all a little bit of a view of the swimming pool that we have here, and so this is a great amenity that we get with the condo too. Okay, Ben's back. Okay, we got plan B for the boxes. We're gonna try to put them on the hand truck, to stand them up tall and see if that'll work. And they're so heavy, we can only do a few at a time, but we're gonna see if the little, standing them up on the hand truck will work better. Hopefully it will.
At least I can get over here in the shade.
Yep. Okay. All right, y'all, we'll put the camera down, go over here and hold the boxes, and then I'll give y'all a view of what we look like when we get it loaded. Okay, we stacked 4 on the little hand truck. We're gonna, thank goodness our neighbor lets us borrow his hand truck, and he's got a lot of these little bungee cords hung on it. So you can tell he's an expert hand trucker. So we're gonna take one of these little bungee cords and just kind of strap them on, and hopefully this will work better when we get this in the elevator. Here we go. The things you do to get on the second floor with supplies. They're super heavy.
I'm just glad we're not on the 5th floor.
All right, we got them on the elevator, and you can see we got 4 boxes on, so that's a definite improvement. So I guess we're going with plan B. And we're just gonna store them in here in our little guest room. This is kind of like our little holding area, because this will be the last room we finish. But we do have the baseboard and the trim up in this room. It's all painted, so this room pretty much is pretty much done, except, you know, putting flooring in. But We're just gonna store it in here until we get ready to put it down. Ben told me later on that we got 34 boxes, because I think I told y'all 40 something, so 34 boxes, and I think we got some extra flooring just in case we needed it later on down the road. It took us about 8 to 10 trips to put 4 boxes per trip on the elevator, but it got it done, and so now we are so happy we got the flooring unloaded and it's in the condo ready for us to start the flooring. Okay, y'all, our last load. I think we got 3 more boxes, but it worked well putting 4 boxes on the hand truck and strapping them on, and they went on the elevator easy. I think we've been here a little over an hour, but we've so far got all 30 something boxes up there, so we just got 3 more to go. So we'll have the flooring up in the condo and it'll be up there ready for us whenever we get ready for it. I forgot to mention that we got our flooring at a place that is local to us. So if you're in the local area, I'm going to leave their information down below in the description box. And I'll also leave a picture of their website at the end of this video. But it's called Woods Flooring, and it's in Killen, Alabama. A lot of people that we talked to had bought their flooring from there and were very satisfied with their customer service and their prices. And we were too. They had a huge selection. So that's where we actually purchased our flooring. So I'm anxious to get started putting it down to see what it's going to look like, you know, and how it's all going to go together. All right, y'all, we are back at Flanagan's Supply Company, and we are about to pick up a little bit more of the trim. We had enough of the baseboard, and we actually had, I think, 3 sticks of it left. But we do need some more trim for around some of the door casings and also around for the crown molding. So we're going to pick that up, and I think we're also going to get our corner round while we're here too, while we got the big trailer on the truck. So
quarter round.
Yeah, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm not a construction person. Yay! Alright, we got more trim. It's never ending. We're always at the supply store, seems like.
Right, didn't the wise man once say it's just money?
Yeah, monopoly money.
$350.20.
Okay, and that's with the quarter round too. Okay. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Well, we'll see y'all back at the condo at some point and show y'all how we are progressing this week. Ben did a lot over there yesterday,
and now we're kind of at a halt because now I got to go paint all this, and it's going to dry and put everything up.
Yeah, all of it has to be painted white first before it's put up, and then he's going to go back over it once it's put up again with another layer of paint just to smooth it out and make sure, you know, it looks good after the putty. And
that's
someday, yeah. That won't, yeah, that'll be down the road eventually, but
that's probably while watching football games I can do that.
Yeah, this fall. Okay, y'all, we'll see y'all back at the condo at some point. We're gonna head home. All right, we are back at the condo, about to take the trim out of the trailer in case it rains today. Gonna get it up there, and wanted to show y'all we had another hatching of the mayflies. Don't know if y'all watched my previous video, but I showed y'all the first hatch had come, and they get on our condo building, and it's just part of being on the water. But look at them, they are like covered all over on the ground. So I just think this is my first year to experience this little mayfly invasion. But like I say, they don't live long, they just live like 24 hours. Poor little things, but just look at them. But here is the trim, the rest of the trim that we got. And Ben's already taking it up there, and we're gonna get it up on the 2nd floor and get this put up, and then we're gonna start on the flooring like here really soon. So we're gonna unload the trailer and get to work. This stuff is so long and bendable, and it's heavy. They packaged it all together, which makes it easy to carry it, but it's heavy. But he's getting it, and this should be it on all the heavy stuff going up on the 2nd floor for us, hopefully. I guess we'll get bathroom fixtures like vanities and bathtubs and stuff like that. But hopefully that kind of stuff can be on a hand truck and we can put it in the elevator. So we're going to get this stuff up to the condo and get it in before the rain comes. And like we've showed y'all in previous videos, this is how we found was the best way to get the trim up to the second floor. Is just lean it up in stacks against the balcony rail, and then Ben will go up to the second floor and then he'll pull it across the rail. Now Ben is going around and just finishing up those areas where we needed that extra trim that we just purchased. We only needed a few sticks, and like I say, he went on and got the quarter round, so we will already have it when we're ready to put it down after the flooring. Ben's also working on the baseboards because we've got to get the baseboards down before we can do the flooring. So we are just working room by room, and he actually got all the baseboard up except in a section in our family room and of course in our kitchen, because we can't do anything with the kitchen until our kitchen cabinets are installed. Now our kitchen cabinet guy, he was supposed to start our kitchen cabinets last week. We haven't talked to him this week, but he was going to start on last Friday. He said the delivery time on the kitchen cabinets could take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. So, if he's working on them, I'm happy, and I'm sure that time will go fast and they'll be here before we know it. Now, this is just a little floor sample from Lowe's that we had got. Ben cut it in half, and this is his guide because we're raising the baseboards up as high as we can get them. I love a tall baseboard. I don't know. To me, it just adds a lot of detail to a home or a room. So we're raising them up, and then of course y'all saw us, we purchased quarter round. So once the flooring and everything is down, Ben will go back and add the quarter round just to add that extra detail. Now this right here is some more little things that he's trying to get wrapped up. It's just putting back trim that was around the windows and the window casings. Most of the window casings in the condo I don't think had trim around them, but we did do that little piece up under the window sill. And then there's a window in our bedroom that did not have trim around it, but we did decide to go on and put the trim around it because Ben said the sheetrock had some flaws in it and he felt like that was going to bug him. So this window originally did not have this trim around it, so we just decided to add this. But I'm so glad we did because I think it adds a lot. And as you can see the mayflies stuck to the window. Once they are done hatching and they're gone, the season's over, we're going to try to figure out how we can clean these windows or at least sweep them off. So I feel like we've got a lot done, and we've already started on the flooring. So make sure to look forward to the next video because we'll show y'all how far we've got on the flooring and what it looks like. And if you are interested and live in the local area, I'm going to leave a link to Woods Flooring down below in my description box. Also, here is a beautiful sunset for y'all. This is taken from someone, I guess, in the area. It's not my picture, but I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I saw it on Facebook. But as always, y'all, we appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Thanks for coming over and seeing what all we've got done on the condo lately. And we always appreciate your encouragement and your support. Make sure to like and share the video. And make sure to leave us a comment below. We love reading all your sweet comments. Until the next video, we hope y'all have a great weekend. We love y'all, and we'll see you soon.